Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we're trading the euro against the US dollars. We're trading live on the London session on the 5-minute chart. So what we're going to do now is we're going to sell the market. Alright, okay, so we're selling the market. So I'm just going to sell my other account. Got a lot of accounts to sell. Sell. Okay, so it's retracing back a bit, so if you have the patience, you can also wait for retracement between this in this area here. So you don't have to take it straight away if you want, but that's fine. You can take it as well. And let me go to my other account and sell this one. Oh, I'm selling the wrong pair on the other. Sorry guys. Euro US, here we go. Chart. Sell. Back to this account. I'm just going to another account that I should have. Sell. Okay, so where do we place our stop loss? Our stop loss about up here, so I'm going to move stop loss up here, just above here, way a bit about, and our take profit target is down here. Okay, this line. So we can place we can move that our take profit target down to here if you want to, or we can do it manually. Just wait for it to come down and just take it manually. Alright guys, so we'll come back shortly, let you know how we go with this trade. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. So we just took a trade, and that trade is a sell. So we're actually going to show you how we plot our take profit target. So this rectangle or square box up here, we're going to use this to plot our take profit target. So let me just zoom in a bit. That's better. So we plot a 1, 2, 3, and it gives us a take profit target where we should exit this trade and where we should take a stop loss. So 1 here, a 2 here. Oh, sorry. Start again. 1. 2 and a 3 here. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, and now it's giving us our retracement. So it means that you can enter this trade at any level between 38%, 1.1865, 50%, 1.1868, 62%, 1.1870, and the last one 79% retracement of 1.874. So those are your retracement, as in, you know, when it retraces back up to here, you can enter somewhere in this at this level, and anywhere between this level, as in a sell. And then you need to also know where you put your stop loss. So stop loss is always above the 79, so it's up here. Okay, it's also just above the 1 point. You can see now it's moving down. That's a good sign, guys. Well done. I should put so that's down. I mean, that's down. That's our stop loss. All right. So where do we take our profit? Let's go. Zoom out. So take profit will be the first 3, or you can, if you want to take more risks, you know, you can take level 4, level 5, level 6, or level 7. So we normally take a level, the first 3 level. That's where we take our stop loss, our profit target. So the first profit, let me change that to nice and red. So the first profit is 1.1842, second profit target is 1.839, and the third is 1.834, and then the fourth 1.824. So those are the profit target that you can actually exit. So let's see, we took it here. So the first is 15 pips, 16. The second is 21 pips, and the third is 26 pips. Alright, I'm gonna record. Oh no, we're gonna keep going. It's gonna hit our take profit right now, guys, so let me just Zoom in. Alright guys, get ready to close this trade. It's shooting down very strongly as we speak. Let me go to my other account. Alright, so it's gonna take a profit. It's gonna take a hit right now. Looks like we're in profit of $20, and it's gonna shoot down. So what we're gonna do now is close our trade. I'm closing the other trade first, guys. Let's almost there. We hit our first target, guys. Don't close the trade yet. We're not there yet, but I'm closing my big account. Already done that one. Alright, that's good. So this definitely is going to break through this market. Okay, so all my two big accounts are closed. We are now hitting the first target there, 1.1842, and we're waiting for the second target, 1.1839. So that will definitely give us a nice profit there. So hang in there. I'm not going to stop the recording now. So if our students online that's watching still trading, don't speak yet, or I'll get ready to close. But such a strong push right now shows that it's definitely coming down with a bear market. And look down here, right? The MACD and the histogram show it's nowhere moving back up. It certainly is going to come back down further. There's a big gap between the two MACD here, so that's a good sign of a strong momentum push. So that is very good indeed. Alright, so just retracing right now. In this sort of situation, don't panic, stick to the plan, because when you see the retracement happen like this, you guys panic and you start to feel, oh no, it's going to go back up, I'm going to close it now, and then next thing you know, it just drop off again. So sometimes we got to stick to the plan and stay the course. Okay, so go back to the 1, 2, 3. So all you need to do is plot the 1, 2, 3 like we did here, and that's let me clear that. And that's where your take profit target is. It gives you exactly the first 1, 2, 3 target there. So I can do it again. I've got to do a screenshot for the our recording. So 1, 2, and 3. There we go. So in that case, I'll put a writing here, stop loss here, and entry is here, entry here. Alright guys, so if you feel that you need to close the trade because they hit the first target already, that's fine. Right? That's go to our students that are trading this live now. That's fine. You can close it, or you can just stick to the plan and just wait till it goes to second profit target. So I'm just telling you that now because I'm doing this recording. TP 1 to 3 here. Alright, that's it there. So now we've got TP 1 to 3. Alright, so it looks like it passed now. It's going to pass through the first, the second. There goes through our second take profit. I'm going to close this trade now, guys. 1, 2, 3. Bang. $27.71 right there. So that's proof, guys. So congratulations everyone, all the students that are making money right now. We just took this trade, and within 20 minutes, just 25 minutes, we make money. So there you go. And the current balance now is $271.69. That is a profit of $27, and that is about just over 10% trade in profit today. Like, I think it's about 11% because we started with $249 and now it's $27. So that's like over 11%. So congratulations guys, and we'll come back shortly. See you guys next week. We're not trading Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're taking a break, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.